Notion started as a simple note-taking tool, but in 2026, it feels much closer to a full workspace system. And with the 3.4 update, several core areas such as navigation, dashboards, and AI workflows have been refined again. So today, we will explore each new feature one by one. Let's get started. The first one is H4 headers. This helps when you build long documentation pages, product specs, or study notes where you need more structure without turning everything into subpages. So if you like to keep everything in one page but still want a clear hierarchy, H4 gives you that extra level of control. Now, this is one of the first changes you will visually notice. The new Sidebar redesign changes how you move through your workspace. Once you enable it from the Workspace menu, you get dedicated sections for Home, Chats, Meetings, and Inbox. Because of this, navigation starts to feel more task-focused rather than just page-focused. And if you work across multiple databases and team chats, this layout helps you switch context faster without losing track of where you were. Then we move to dashboards, which is a much more functional addition. Dashboards are now a dedicated database view that lets you combine charts, tables, and key numbers into a single screen. So instead of opening several pages to check performance or progress, you can create one page that acts like a control panel. For example, you might track tasks, content output, or revenue. Once you set it up, you just open the dashboard and everything important is already summarized for you. Along with dashboards, Notion also added number charts. These are designed to highlight one key metric in a large and clear visual block. So if you care about a specific number, like monthly signups or tasks completed this week, you can place it front and center. And since number charts support conditional formatting, you can visually see whether that number is improving or dropping without reading through rows of data. Next, we have an update that focuses on meetings and AI summaries. Notion now lets you set custom instructions for AI meeting notes. This means you can tell the AI how you want your summary structured, what tone to use, and what kind of details to include. At the same time, Notion has improved custom agents from a cost and efficiency perspective. Running custom agents is now about 35% cheaper, and there are lighter models that use far fewer credits. So if you rely on agents to automate reports, summarize long documents, or process incoming data, this update makes those workflows more sustainable in the long run. Now let's talk about tabs, because this is a feature that directly changes how you design your pages. Tabs are a new block type that lets you split content into sections inside a single page. So instead of creating multiple subpages or building one very long page, you can group related content under separate tabs. This works especially well for project pages, documentation, or client dashboards where you want everything in one place, but still neatly separated. Moving further into AI, Notion 3.4 introduces skills. Skills allow you to save a prompt as a reusable command. So if you often ask Notion AI to convert raw notes into a weekly update or summarize long text into bullet insights, you can store that instruction as a skill. After that, you just call it again when needed. And because the instruction stays consistent, your AI outputs also stay consistent, which helps when you share those results with the team. Notion has also added built-in image generation. You can now create diagrams, charts, or visual elements directly inside your documents. For teams that rely on external tools, Notion has introduced new AI connectors for Salesforce and Box. Once connected, your AI can reference data from those platforms while generating summaries or insights. So your workspace starts to feel less isolated and more like a central hub where information from different services comes together. Besides features, there are also performance updates. If you work with large databases and long documents every day, faster loading reduces waiting time and keeps your flow uninterrupted. Another small but thoughtful addition is archive mode. Instead of deleting old pages, you can archive them so they disappear from search and navigation while still remaining stored. With all these updates together, Notion 3.4 is less about one single headline feature and more about making the entire workspace feel more structured, more automated, and more connected. That was all. Share your thoughts in the comments, and if you found this helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more videos.